Picture yourself at the beach, a very hot and sunny day, blue skies and very few clouds around. You packed on a lot of sunscreen, but at the end of the day, you still get a bit of a tan. That happens because our body produces more melanin, the pigment that gives our skin color, to protect us from harmful ultraviolet radiation that comes from the sun. But have you thought how other animals might get a tan? How about jellyfish? Well, corals, one of the jellyfish's closest relatives, increase the production of pigments when they're exposed to more intense sunlight. Jellyfish can also vary in color, but does it come from a suntanning session? In my PhD, I'm investigating the genetics, chemistry, and ecology of color variation in blubber jellyfish, like this one here in the image. Some jellyfish have a similar pigment to their coral relatives, part of a Nobel Prize-winning protein family known as the green fluorescent protein that has revolutionized medical research. But a new class of pigments, one that hasn't been found in any other animal, was described from a blue jellyfish, part of the same group as the blubbers. From genetic and chemical studies in these animals, I have found a candidate pigment part of this new class, and that this class may be exclusive to this group of jellyfish. Now, the blubber jellyfish lives along the east coast of Australia and may appear not just in blue, but also in white and brown. The white and brown variants seem to occur more upstream in lagoons and rivers where the water is murkier, compared to the blue counterparts that seem to be more ocean-going, where the water is more clear. So, is the blue blubber jellyfish just a suntan jellyfish from being more exposed to sunlight? To answer that question, I'm doing ecological experiments, raising these animals in the lab from tiny babies to adults under different exposures to ultraviolet radiation. This may seem as a fun way to change the color of a pet jellyfish, but this study can actually help us understand how this species responds to changes in environmental conditions, especially considering that they're commercially harvested. This may come as a surprise, but Queensland only may export up to 800 tons a year of these animals to Asian countries, where they're normally consumed. Now, these answers I'm looking for are urgently required in times of global change and alarming species extinction rates. But let's try not to feel blue about it, as there is hope for the future, unless you want to be as tan as a jellyfish. Thank you.